What if you put grip tape up there and adjusted your foot down onto it?
You could.
If you get your foot on that plate, you can just smash right into it.
You really could. The only problem is I need to like put like something wider over the top, right? So that you're not putting your foot into the wheel.
Yeah, that first one you made, it looked like a spade almost.
Yeah.
Like if you naturally just extend it off the front board.
Want me to like throw it into bay or something?
No, this is good. This is how I normally. It feels different. It just feels different.
I got you.
So when you nose drag, you stay center, but with the wheels, you have to overcommit to the front.
Okay.
And I just haven't done that. It would, man. I'll tell you, you get going so fast, so quick. It feels like really comfy fang bumpers, or you know what I'm saying? You can 100%. You can turn it. It's just. There's no resistance, so it's so powerful. You have to overcommit. Like when we do nose drags, we get the resistance to slow us down. But if you cruise on greenways and stuff, these are so nice. You would, it's not, if you nosedive, it's not such a fall. So you just kind of tap down. They're nice and soft, and it allows you to turn on them too.
And you can make the truck squishier too.
Yeah, so he said it's stiff right now.
It's
Right?
super stiff.
That feels very cool.
Oh, is this the flat pad?
Yep.
I've been wanting to try it.
That feels very interesting. You really got to overcommit.
Yeah, me and the Rick made it. What do you want, man?
The speed is terrifying.
Yeah.
Shaking over there.
No, dude. It's like, and I'm in that state, and I can't even think about it.
They're very tight right now. So,
Hold up. Stop.
But it's so smooth, man. Like,
and like, right?
Off-road.